Okay, this problem says find the magnetic force on the proton if a proton's velocity is negative 200,000, comma 0, comma 0. The magnetic field is 0, comma 0, comma negative 5. Alright, so the full formula for magnetic force here is going to be Fm equals Q times V cross B. This is the vector version of the formula. However, we can find the magnitude first. Which will be QVB sine theta. But when we find the magnitude, then we don't care about the direction. So I'm going to put the absolute value around the charge so that it doesn't negate the result. It's a positive charge, so it doesn't matter this time. Our velocity was 200,000, so that makes our speed 200,000. When it comes to B, this is just the magnitude of it. So we just want 5 and 90 degrees between the negative x direction, negative z direction. Okay. So this direction here is negative z, so negative k hat. And this direction here is negative I hat, or negative x. And yeah, it's like if you were going to put like a square underneath there in 3 dimensions, it would appear like that, but that's actually a square with 90 degrees, like right angles on all of its 4 sides. Yep, so there's actually 90 degrees between these vectors. Alright, so with that in mind, we can actually simplify the formula to just QVB, and then the sine of 90 is just 1, so you don't even need it. Anyway, the magnitude comes out to, okay, so it's going to be 1.6. That's the strength of it. Now we have to find the direction. So for that, I would use right-hand rule because we're dealing with a positive charge. And let me draw the right-hand rule. The pointer points in the direction of its velocity. The middle points in the direction of the magnetic field. Yeah, it's decent. Alright, so we got the pointer, the middle, and the thumb. Pointer points in the direction of motion, velocity. The middle points in the direction of the field. And then the thumb tells you the result. Which is the force. So apparently the force is going to be this direction. force X in the negative y or negative j hat direction. Yeah, when you write it in vector form, you want the negative means it's not in the positive y direction, but it'll be opposite of the y direction.